Customary marriage ceremony among the Igbo people of Nigeria is one of the most important aspects of their culture, and since marriage is the origin of family, there are specific steps involved in this. Popularly called Igbanku, the Igbo traditional marriage is a multifaceted process steeped in tradition and cultural significance. It generally involves several key stages. From the moment a young man agrees to marry a lady, the first thing done by their families is called Ijuese. Ijuese, translated to mean to ask questions, is a process that requires the family of each party to go and make inquiries about the family of their intending in-laws. It is during this process that both families get to know each other, understand their individual ancestral origin, history, morals, values, and beliefs. Ijuese is a key aspect of the marital journey because it determines if the couple will proceed with the marriage or not based on the findings of their families. Ikwaka, introduction. This is the initial official meeting between the families of the bride and groom. It serves as an introduction and allows the families to get acquainted. During this meeting, the groom's family formally expresses their interest in the bride. Imegu, bride price negotiation. The groom's family, led by a representative known as Okala, meets with the bride's family to negotiate the bride price, also called Imegu. During this process, the bride's father presents a list of requirements to the groom, and this includes items to be brought for the father and mother of the bride and for the kinsmen, that is the Umunna and Umuada, the men and women of the bride's community. This price traditionally includes cash, livestock, and other items that are from one community to another. The negotiation reflects the respect for the bride's family and ensures that both parties agree on the terms of the marriage. The bride price, monetary, is also negotiated by both families. Nkwaya, traditional marriage preparations. Once the bride price is agreed upon, the groom's family prepares for the Igbanku, traditional marriage ceremony on an agreed date. This includes organizing gifts for the bride's family, such as drinks, food, and other items. Then, information of the ceremony is passed to family and friends to come and celebrate with the couple and their families. The formal marriage ceremony typically takes place in the bride's village, precisely her father's compound. It involves several key activities. Introduction ceremony. Both families are officially introduced to each other publicly. The groom's family presents the agreed bride price and gifts to the bride's family. Rite of passage. The bride may go through a rite of passage where she is presented with traditional attire which symbolizes her transition from maidenhood to married life. HOD, to find her husband. This is the stage where the bride is given a cup of wine by her father or his representative standing in as the head of the family to go and search for her husband and bring him so that her kinsmen will acknowledge them. After this, the bride's parents bless them. Then they go to the groom's parents for blessing. Exchange of vows. The bride and groom exchange vows in the presence of elders and family members committing to each other. Celebration. After the formal rites, a celebration typically follows, featuring music, dancing, and feasting. This is a communal event where friends and extended family come together to celebrate the union. Refreshment. A traditional drink, usually palm wine, is shared among family members as a symbol of unity and acceptance. After the celebration, the bride follows her husband and his people home because according to the customs of the Igbos, they are now husband and wife. Return visit. After the wedding, the bride's family might visit the groom's family to establish a connection and reinforce the bond between the two families. These stages might vary slightly depending on the customs of specific Igbo communities and states or the personal preferences of the families involved. However, the essence of these activities is a celebration of union, respect, and cultural heritage. This documentary is brought to you by Kpakpando Language Hub.